Before watching a video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
5 delicious and nutritious smoothies that will help you lose weight. Cranberries are a fruit rich in fiber and antioxidant, so they allow us to eliminate excess toxins and fats as well as speed up metabolism. They also prevent fluid retention. Did you know that there are a lot of delicious and nutritious shakes to lose weight? And that besides this, most are sweet? Keep watching and know 5 of these delicious drinks with their respective recipe that you cannot resist to prepare, and why not to add to this list of your favorite shakes. 1. Peanut butter and banana smoothie. This juice to lose weight is ideal as a substitute for a meal. Thanks to peanut butter, you get a lot of protein. It's like a sandwich with peanut butter and banana. Recipe: 1/2 banana, 1/2 cup smooth or crunchy, low fat peanut butter, 1/2 cup non-fat milk, 6 ice cubes, 1 tablespoon chocolate milk, whey protein. Place all the ingredients in the blender and blend until smooth. Blueberry smoothies. Many juices to lose weight are made up of blueberries because they are very rich in antioxidants. This shake is particularly special for breakfast. Recipe: 1/2 large banana, 1/3 cup soy protein, 1/2 tablespoon of linseed oil, 1/4 cup frozen blueberries, 1/2 tablespoon concentrated apple juice or honey, 1 tablespoon psyllium seed husk, 8 ounces water. Chop the banana into pieces. Place all the ingredients in the blender and mix until smooth. Peach smoothie. It is one of the simplest and sweetest smoothies. However, it is one of the best to help you lose weight. Recipe: 1 cup skim milk, 1 cup frozen peaches unsweetened, 2 teaspoons flaxseed oil. Mix the milk and peaches until smooth, then add the flaxseed oil. Mango smoothie. This smoothie is a total tropical delight. Remember that avocado have good and healthy fats as long as you do not exceed their consumption. Recipe: 1/4 cup diced mango, 1/4 cup ripe avocado puree, 1/2 cup mango juice, 1/4 cup non-fat vanilla yogurt, 1 tablespoon juice, 1 tablespoon sugar, 6 ice cubes. Add all the ingredients in the blender and blend until smooth. Chocolate and raspberry smoothie. This shake has a great combination. It's incredibly easy to make and it is a smoothie that helps you lose a lot of weight. Plus it has a delicious flavor and that always on advantage. Recipe: 1/2 cup skim milk or soy milk, 6 ounces non-fat vanilla yogurt, 1/4 cup chocolate chip, 1 cup fresh raspberries, 1 cup frozen raspberry or ice. Combine everything and mix until smooth. Choose your favorite shake recipe to lose weight and enjoy drinking this drink without the fear of raising any other kilo.